Welcome to the Dealer Edge module tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our new gamma exposure or GEX analysis tool to make smarter, more informed trading decisions. Dealer Edge is designed to help you understand where market makers are positioned in the options market. Their hedging activity creates highly predictable price behavior. When dealers hedge, they buy or sell the underlying stock, and that flow creates support, resistance, and volatility patterns you can track in real time. By reading gamma exposure correctly, you can identify where price wants to gravitate, where volatility is likely to expand, and which levels matter most for your next trade. Getting started. To access Dealer Edge, select it from your dashboard. You'll see three core areas: the control panel at the top, the interactive GEX Heatmap in the center, the key levels panel on the right. The module loads with SPY by default. At the top left, you'll find the ticker. Search box, type any symbol, SPXQQQ, or individual equities, and matching results appear instantly. Select a result or press enter, and Dealer Edge will load the latest gamma exposure data for that ticker. The GEX Heatmap. The heat map is the heart of the module. One axis shows strike prices, the other shows expiration dates. Every tile represents a specific strike and expiration combination, and the color tells you the gamma exposure at that level. Green and blue tiles represent positive gamma, a stabilizing force. Dealers hedge in a way that pushes price toward these levels. Think of positive gamma areas as magnets that pull price in. When price moves above a positive gamma level, dealers hedge by selling, creating downward pressure. When price moves below it, they hedge by buying, creating upward pressure. This dynamic forms natural support and resistance. Red tiles represent negative gamma, a destabilizing force. Price accelerates through these zones, and this is where breakouts and volatility spikes often originate. The brightness of each tile indicates the strength of that gamma exposure. The brightest tile is the anchor point, the strongest magnet for price. Hover over any tile to see the strike, expiration, and exact GEX value. The heat map also highlights where the current price sits, giving you instant context. View modes and filters. Dealer Edge offers three visualization modes. GEX shows gamma exposure. Options volume highlights where traders are most active. VEX maps volatility exposure. Below the view selector, you can filter by expiration, all expirations, nearest term expirations, monthly expirations, which matter most around monthly OPEX. You can also invert axes, toggle strike ordering, and enable auto refresh, so data updates automatically every 5 minutes. Key levels panel. On the right, the key levels panel distills the heat map into simple, actionable insights. Current price. The real-time price of the underlying asset. Anchor point, the strike with the highest gamma exposure. If price is below the anchor, hedging creates bullish pressure. If price is above it, hedging creates bearish pressure. If price is at the anchor, expect range-bound behavior. Defense lines, Mommy, secondary high GEX levels that act as backup support or resistance. GEX rating, a 1 to 5 score summarizing dealer bias. 5 equals strongly bullish, 1 equals strongly bearish, 3 equals neutral / range bound. GEX Flip Point, where gamma turns from positive to negative. And this is one of the most important volatility markers. And when price approaches a flip point, volatility often increases sharply. AI trading analysis. Below the heat map, the AI trading analysis panel gives you a natural language summary of market outlook, support and resistance, strategy recommendations, volatility expectations, risk assessment. The strategy guidance adapts to current structure, bullish arrow calls, call spreads, bull put spreads, neutral premium selling setups like iron condors, bearish arrow puts, bear spreads, downside hedges. Real example using today's SPX levels. Now let's walk through a real example using today's SPX data directly from the Dealer Edge module. At the top of the Key Levels panel, you'll see the current price, which is at $6,858.04. Below that is the anchor point, located at $6,900, the strongest gamma concentration on the board. Since the current price is below the anchor, this structure suggests bullish upward pressure as dealers hedge. Next are the defense lines at $6,880, $6,875, and $6,865. These form layered support zones. As long as SPX stays above them, upward continuation remains favored. The GEX rating is 5 out of 5, confirming strong positive dealer positioning and a high probability bullish environment. Just below that is the GEX Flip Point, sitting at $6,787, the level where volatility could expand sharply if price were to break below. Inside the AI trading analysis section, the market outlook is bullish, supported by clustered positive gamma around key support. The key levels section highlights breakout level 6,900, support 6,880 to 6,865, resistance 6,830, 6,800. The strategy recommendations show both sides. Long setup entry 6,885, target 6,920, stop loss 6,860, short setup entry 6,825, and target 6,800, stop loss 6,840. Volatility is expected to stay elevated between 6,880 and 6,900, especially near the breakout. The risk assessment rates the structure 3 out of 5 medium risk. Main risks include resistance rejecting price and acceleration if SPX moves toward the flip point. This example shows how the anchor point, defense lines, rating, flip point, and strategy suggestions all work together to form a complete, actionable trading plan. That's the full walkthrough of Dealer Edge. Start applying these gamma insights inside Trade Echo and let the data drive smarter, more confident trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.